Good morning, students. Welcome back to new session. In this session, we are going to start polynomials chapter. So, introduction to the polynomials. So, polynomials. So, what you know, we should know about some terminology of polynomials. That is variable, constant, exponent, degree, term, polynomials, zeros, and roots. An expression which is made of variables and constants along with fundamental operations, that is addition, subtraction, etc., is called an algebraic expression. Expressions are made up of terms. So what are constants? 1, 2, 3, and variables are a, b, g, h, and so on. So what exponent 5? So what is exponent? X power 5. If I write the 5 is called as exponent. You can say examples of algebraic expressions: 5x plus 4y minus 7, 3x plus 2y minus 5, x minus 20, 2x square minus 3xy plus 5, 1 by x plus 5, etc. So variables, coefficients, and constants. You can see here in algebra, to recognize the variable, constant, coefficients, terms, and polynomials, you can see there are two terms in this which is separated. All the terms are separated with either plus or minus sign. So 5x minus 3, these are two terms, 5x and 3. 5 is a coefficient of a variable x and 3 is a constant term. Here 8x square minus 5x plus 6, there are three terms here. And 8 is a coefficient of x square, 5 is a coefficient of x, and 6 is a constant term. Now the word polynomial is derived from the Greek words poly, is made up of many terms, namely poly meaning many and nominal means terms. A polynomial is defined as an algebraic expression which is composed of variables, constants, and exponents. The exponents should be the whole numbers that are combined using the mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So variable can't be divided in a divisional operation. So example, x square plus 2 and 4x minus 5. Area x square is also an algebraic expression. Perimeter is also an algebraic expression, 4x. So you can see the example here, 4xy square minus 3x plus y cube minus 3. So there are four terms. The exponents are 0, 1, 2. So it is a polynomial. If it is 3xy whole power minus 2, 3xy power minus 2, negative term, it's non-polynomial. 2 by x plus 2, this is also non-polynomial as a variable is in division. So you can see the polynomials and not a polynomials. The reason also given, polynomials only have variables in the numerator. Polynomials only have variables in the numerator, not denominator. Variables under a root are not polynomial are not allowed in polynomials. So these, a polynomial cannot have division by a variable, negative exponents, decimal exponents, and an infinite number of terms. A polynomial can't be an infinite number of terms. The polynomial function is denoted by p of x, where x represents the variable. For example, p of x equal to x square minus 5x plus 11. If the variable is denoted by a, then the function will be p of a. What is the degree? The degree of a polynomial is defined as the highest degree of a monomial within a polynomial. Thus, a polynomial equation having one variable which has the largest exponent is called a degree of the polynomial. Now 5, a polynomial 5, degree is 0, which is called as constant polynomial. X plus 4 is there, the degree is 1, it is called as linear polynomial. And 4x square, the degree is 2, it is called as quadratic polynomial. 4x cube minus 2x square plus x, highest degree is 3, it is called as cubic polynomial. 2x power 4 plus 5x square, the degree is 4, you can call it as quartic polynomial, and degree is 5, it is called as quintic polynomial. The quartic can also called as degree 4, it can also called as biquadratic polynomial. Note, degree of polynomial should be non-positive exponent is not allowed degree. Now non-positive exponent, these are all not degrees. No, it is not at all polynomial when you come back to this kind of degree. If you see 1 by x, x power minus 2, root x, x to the power of 2 by 3, these are all not polynomials. We not consider it all as a polynomials. So polynomial functions are standard form. A polynomial function is an expression constructed with one or more terms of variables with constant exponents. If there are real numbers denoted by a, then function with one variable and of degree n can be written as a0 x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 and so on up to a n minus 1 x plus a n, where a power 0, a0, a1, a2 are all constant terms, non-zero constant terms. So types of polynomials based on terms and based on three types of polynomials based on terms. Based on degree, you can see monomial, binomial, trinomial, and based on degree, linear, quadratic, cubic, biquadratic polynomials. So whatever you have in this chapter, you have division algorithm, factorization methods, remainder theorem, factor theorem, and some special products. So types of polynomial based on terms, you can see one term is called monomial, two terms it called binomial, three terms it called as trinomial, and more than three terms it can be called as multinomial or polynomial. So types of polynomial according to degree, already we discussed this. Degree 0 constant, degree 1 linear, degree 2 quadratic, and degree 3 cubic polynomial. That's all, students. We will discuss remaining in the next class. Thank you.